say you smell marijuana, you're a silly person.
Hey, just listen to her, okay? Listen to her.
I don't smoke. I only want to smoke. That same people, not that they used in the old days.
Okay, just listen to this officer, okay?
You're a lie.
Hey, Kelvin.
You ain't smell no marijuana, you're a lie.
Kelvin.
You're a lie. You don't even be no police officer, you're a lie.
Because we're not
You
acknowledging the Miranda.
You use that for an excuse to do what you want to do, to search. You ain't search shit because you know what? You ain't got nothing. You don't smoke.
Calvin.
I don't do no drugs.
Calvin.
You're a lie. Say you smell marijuana.
Hey, Calvin, I grabbed your phone. Do you want to make a phone call?
My phone. Give my phone and call my lady.
You want to call your lady?
That's right.
Okay.
Because you're a lie. You're a lie. You say you smell marijuana, you're a liar.
You say you smell marijuana, you're a liar. In a tense DUI stop in Tallahassee, Florida, Officer Kiersten Oliver of the TPD pulls over Calvin Riley Sr., a 55-year-old barber, and what begins as a routine stop quickly spirals into confrontation. Why does Mr. Riley accuse the officer of lying about marijuana odor? Why was he denied his phone during critical moments? This is not just about traffic enforcement. This is about rights, power, and the thin line between authority and abuse. This case captured national attention after footage surfaced suggesting possible evidence tampering. You're watching ID Refusal Cops. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Huge thanks to Lackluster for publishing this crucial body cam footage. Make sure to follow their channel as well.
Final stop's gonna be Laura Lee and Monroe. Hello, sir. I'm Officer Oliver with Tallahassee Police Department. Do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
This is the reason why you slowed me down.
Yes, sir. So you don't have any headlights on, and you're going really fast down Monroe Street.
Headlight? My headlights automatically on when I'm driving.
They're not on right now.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Because
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from 429 West Brevard Street. One of them is my brother.
Okay.
My name is Calvin Riley Sr.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay, can you get that for me?
I can't find it right now.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't really carry a wallet.
You don't carry a wallet at all? Where do you carry your money at?
Bank.
The bank? Okay. How do you pay for things? On your phone? Okay, I got you. No problem. I'll write down your information. You said Calvin Riley? I can take that. Perfect. Senior?
Yes.
What's your date of birth, sir?
April 3rd, 1968.
Okay, April 3rd, 1968. Okay. So I'll just want to go ahead and show you. So right now you just have your parking lights on. So if you switch them to, that's your auto. Now they're on. Okay. Sit tight for me, okay? You said April 3rd of 1968?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Give me 1 second. $17,759. Okay, when you're done with your stuff, can you have a remind, please? Seven to dispatch. I'll be on 2. Please, 17 till type in line for 29 all the way by name and date of birth, please. Temple. First name is going to be Calvin. It's Charlie, Alpha, Lima, Victor, India, November. And last name is Romeo, India, Lima, Echo, Yankee. It's going to be a senior. Date of birth is 4/3 of 1968. It's a big mic. I can try to find it out. I'm not really sure if he's going to give it to me right now. Temple. Let me see if I can find it. So, I feel like I'm getting some indications, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't really smell anything right now. Do you think you can just talk to him? He's like looking everywhere for his like ID, and he's like looking up here and pulling out papers and like looking around and everything. He says he doesn't carry a wallet. I said, how do you have money? He goes, the bank. And I said, okay, well, he's just not making a lot of sense.
Yeah.
He didn't have lights on. He's flying down Monroe Street. And when I went to pull him over, he like started to get over and then came back over and then like is kind of like hovering and then stopped. Okay. So if you'll just see if you can see
talk to
anything.
him.
So he's got suspended. It's Calvin Riley.
Also suspended.
Yeah. So I'm going to ask him. That's why he doesn't have a driver's license, because he knows it's suspended. So,
That could also be why he's acting.
when you go up there, can you ask him if he still lives on Brevard Street?
Officer Kiersten Oliver initiates a traffic stop on Calvin Riley Sr. for alleged speeding and driving without headlights. Riley responds respectfully but cannot produce a physical ID, claiming he doesn't carry a wallet and pays via phone. Instead of recognizing alternative ID validation methods, Oliver proceeds to run his information by dispatch. Though Riley cooperates verbally, Officer Oliver quickly frames the behavior as suspicious, noting he's not making a lot of sense. Meanwhile, the officer behind the camera appears to prejudge Riley's intent, suggesting he knows his license is suspended before confirming it. This early presumption raises serious Fourth Amendment concerns. A traffic infraction alone does not justify deeper suspicion without articulable cause. There is no evidence of criminal conduct at this stage, yet escalation is clearly underway. Revel clause reference. Fourth Amendment USA Constitution protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. A suspended license check must not justify expanded detention without cause. Florida Statute 2232.15 possession of driver's license requires a driver to carry and display license, but absence alone does not justify immediate escalation or assumption of guilt. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. stops must be based on reasonable suspicion. Expanding scope without clear basis violates this protection.
Beers at Pockets.
Oh, he didn't tell me that?
I asked him that because he originally said the north side, and I said we're out on the north side, and he said Pockets.
See,
and
he
I
told
said,
me he was coming from Brevard Street. Holy crap, he scared me. So he did say he had beers at Pockets?
Yeah.
Do you get any other indications?
I mean, his speech is slurred, and
Yeah.
he's got the watery bloodshot eyes, and I do have odor. Do you want me to do a signal one investigation?
Can I watch you?
Yeah.
Okay. I promise the next one I'll do. Go ahead, sir. And he's got a suspended deal and he knows it's suspended.
Okay.
Calvin.
What's his first name?
Calvin.
Okay.
10-4, just want to verify because I had background. You said that there's a cease tag if it's an owner, and you also said that his driver's license is suspended, correct? 10-4, thank you, sir. Back in primary.
I don't want to go into anything
No,
about
yeah.
the 10-15 for the suspension, because if we 10-15 for the suspension, that makes the
You're
DUI
good.
a little bit
Yeah,
more
we can
difficult.
wait on that.
So let me just go that route.
You're good.
If he refuses the SFUs, that we can 10-15 for the
Suspension. Well, we still have to find him. There's another way to go.
yeah, what's his name,
Calvin.
Calvin? Okay. Hey, Calvin. Really quick, can you do me a favor and just shut off your car so we can on the dash for me? Thank you, sir. So I want to go more into the beers that you said you had. Yeah. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety exercises? No? Okay. Here, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for us. Just go ahead and face the car for us. Your license is suspended, so we're gonna...
No problem. So should I call somebody to come pick my car up?
Yeah, we'll get to that. Just give me a second, okay?
And my license.
You knew your license was suspended?
No, I didn't.
That's why you didn't have your ID on you.
First of all, my ID is at my job because I was at work and they were finding my lock.
Alrighty. Mr. Riley, we're gonna walk back to my car, okay?
Okay.
It's okay. Just don't reach in your pockets for me.
Okay, I'm not. Well,
What are you trying to do?
No, I'm trying to do nothing. I'm asking you a simple question.
What's up?
I need to get my phone.
Yeah, we'll get it.
I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
Get my phone to call somebody right now.
Yeah, in just a second we can. Yes. So come back to my car for me.
I understand what you're asking me, but I'm asking you a simple question.
And
too.
I said yes,
Kevin,
that
your
we
phone is
can.
here.
Just
We're
give me a
gonna get
second.
your phone. We're gonna get you back to the car though, okay?
Oh, no. See that phone right there?
Yep.
Yes, we're gonna get it.
Can you get it right now?
No.
Are you standing right here?
No.
Okay, I will grab it once we get you to the car, okay?
Come on, Calvin. We're gonna walk over here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Come
We're
on.
gonna get your car for you in a second, or your phone for you in a second.
Don't worry about that. Just close the door. Close the door.
No, just leave it just
Close
like that.
the door. No.
No. Come on, Mr. Riley, let's go.
All right. Don't worry about the phone.
Mr. Riley, I got a quick question for you.
No problem.
So I smelled marijuana in your vehicle. Did you recently smell?
No, let me tell you something, man.
Stand right here.
Let me tell you something.
Stand
I
right
don't know. You heard what she just said. She smell marijuana, right?
Yeah.
I don't even fucking smoke. So
Okay.
what? But you come with that. That's lip gloss.
Okay.
Okay?
Do
This
you
right
have
here.
a medical marijuana card?
No, I don't smoke nothing.
Have you recently smoked pen?
I don't smoke nothing.
Okay.
So you try that bullshit. That's my money right there for my job.
I got you.
So
I'm
let
not
me
hanging
tell
on
you
to it.
something. You see my back of my shirt? What that show? I show you I'm a barber. You understand what I'm saying? So what you're saying is you smell marijuana. You're alive. So I want to show you something.
Go ahead and unlock the car. Or you can
That's cool.
Alright, go ahead and sit down in my car for me, okay?
You got my lip gloss and my money?
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Since you smell marijuana,
Yeah, go ahead and sit down.
what's your name?
Officer Oliver, go ahead and sit down for me.
Calvin, sit down for us.
I will. Since you say you smell marijuana.
Sit down,
But
please.
that's the reason you stopped me, or you
It's
stopped me
not the
because
reason I stopped
my
you. For your
light was
lights.
off?
Yes, sir, and
Okay.
you're speeding.
But you know, I was speeding.
Yes.
I got a track on my shit.
Okay.
Officer Officer Kiersten Oliver and her partner begin shifting the traffic stop into a DUI investigation after Mr. Riley allegedly admits to drinking at a bar called Pockets. They cite slurred speech, watery eyes, and odor, yet none of these observations are confirmed with field sobriety tests, which Riley lawfully declines. Refusing voluntary roadside exercises is not grounds for arrest, and invoking suspicion without clear evidence edges into unconstitutional detention. Officer Oliver also abruptly claims to smell marijuana, despite no visible cause or consent to search. Riley denies all use, challenges her claim, and requests his phone to call someone, a right not granted at that moment. The escalation lacks transparency and opens the door to pretextual enforcement, potentially violating Terry v. Ohio standard. Relevant laws reference 4th Amendment USC Constitution protects against prolonged detention without cause. Florida Statute SS3 161932, refusal of field sobriety tests. Refusal of voluntary tests is not an admission of guilt. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. Police must articulate specific facts justifying further intrusion.
And you smell marijuana.
Just watch your foot, okay? Wow, he reeks of alcohol. Is there enough, like, before that? That's weird. Got, like, gum and a napkin. Alright, well. Let me grab some gloves.
Looking at Russell Street, it looks like this is the third time this person has called about loud music.
There's nothing that we can do for the signal 1 portion of it, because he refused.
If he refuses exercises now, I can ask him if he wants to do a breath test.
We'll go through with this first and then... I don't know. It smells very strong. This is cologne right here, though. It's like sprayed it like right before. It's got like a gold chain and a bag. Or in a thing. What is this? A ring. Nothing in there. Smell this.
It smells like alcohol.
Yep.
I think we're good on the signal.
Yeah? Okay.
Based off my training and experience.
Okay. It's a hair clip under here. Cool. Hey, there's vodka in his seat, like right here in a pouch in his seat. Vodka was found in this pouch in his seat. Huh? And you can just charge him with DWSR.
If you wanted to finish searching, I'll go talk to him about this in my own stuff.
Yeah. Do you need me? Do you need me, like, over there with you? Huh? Here. I've got his phone. I've got it right here.
I told you I was not the officer.
Officer Kiersten Oliver begins searching Calvin Riley Sr.'s vehicle after claiming to smell alcohol and marijuana, though Riley is already detained and has refused all voluntary sobriety tests. Without a warrant or explicit consent, this search operates in a gray area under the Fourth Amendment. The officers find cologne, a napkin, and finally a pouch containing a bottle of vodka declared as evidence. However, body cam timing and off-cam handling later raised allegations of evidence planting. No field test confirms if the bottle was open or related to the driver's conduct. Oliver's tone suggests confirmation bias rather than objective observation. Legally, discovery during a stop must satisfy the plain view or cause standard, neither of which is clearly met here. This segment demonstrates how investigatory power can overstep constitutional limits when oversight is weak. Fourth Amendment U.S. Constitution prohibits warrantless searches without Florida Statute 10.3 of 6.3.07, execution of search without warrant, requires clear, lawful justification for any search not supported by a warrant. Arizona v. Gant, 556 U.S.C. 332 cities. Vehicle searches incident to arrest are limited unless evidence directly relates to the offense.
And you say you smell marijuana? You're a silly person.
Hey, just listen to
You're
her,
a silly
okay?
person.
Listen to
I only
her.
want to smoke. I only want to smoke. That same people, not that they used in the old days.
Okay,
You don't
just
smell no
listen to this
marijuana,
officer,
man.
okay?
You're a lie.
Hey,
You
Calvin.
ain't smell no marijuana. You're a lie.
Calvin.
You're a lie. You don't even be no police officer. You're a lie.
Because we're not
You use that
acknowledging
for
the
an
Miranda.
excuse. You use that for an excuse to do what you want to do, to search. You ain't search shit because you know what? You ain't got nothing. You don't smoke.
Calvin.
Weed, I don't do no drugs.
Calvin.
You're a lie.
Calvin.
say you smell marijuana.
Hey Calvin, I grabbed your phone. Do you
I
want to
don't
make a
give
phone
fuck
call?
about my phone. Give
you-
my phone and call my lady.
You want to call
she
your
drunk,
lady?
That's right.
Okay.
Because you're a liar. You're a liar. You say you smell marijuana, you're a liar.
Calvin, I have to ask
She said she stopped me because my light was. I understand that.
Calvin, I
And
have
she
to
asked me where I
ask
was
you
going.
a
I
question,
told her where I was
okay?
going to my property down the road.
I'm now
But
requesting
you
that you
said
submit to a lawful test of your breath for the first time. If you refuse to test, I have requested of you. I have to read this to you, okay? I have to read this to you. If you refuse to take the test, I have requested of you.
Don't touch me.
Stay in
You
the
assaulted
car.
me.
Okay.
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. You got me cuffed. I'm sitting in the seat. I'm in the car. That's right. Close the
Will you
door.
roll the back window down?
I can, yeah.
Okay.
Now give me my phone so I can call my lady.
Hey, if you refuse
Give
to
me
take the
my
test, I have
phone.
requested of you
Give
your
me
driving
my
privilege will be
phone.
suspended
Give me
for a
my
period of
phone.
1 year for the
Give
first
me my
refusal,
phone.
or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 327.35215 for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalty imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into evidence at any criminal proceeding. Okay, this is going to be processed as a
Hey,
all on camera.
with him being combative, I'll just transport and you can.
You gotta do something about
We'll have to let him use his. Well, not let him use his phone. We
I told you
can.
where I was coming from. I told you I was going, and she said she's from weed. She
Okay,
a
I did
liar.
not find any marijuana in
You're
your
a liar.
vehicle.
You're a
What-
liar.
Do you want to call your lady?
You're a liar.
Do you
I
want-
can't call nobody my
I can put it in
handcuff.
for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuff.
I can put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuff.
Okay, if you don't let me know the number, then I'm not gonna call her, and
You
I'm
a
going
liar.
to call
you know
a
that.
tow truck
You don't
for your
even need to
vehicle.
be on wearing that badge.
Did
You
you
a
hear me?
liar. You say you smell
Did you hear
marijuana.
me?
You a liar.
Are you listening?
And I'm gonna prove that.
I'm gonna tow your
and
vehicle.
they're gonna fire you.
Okay.
They're gonna fire you because
Okay.
you're a liar.
I'm gonna call a tow truck for your
You're
vehicle.
a liar.
Okay.
I hope you recording this because you're a liar. You say you smell marijuana.
Go ahead and put
That's
this stuff
right.
in a bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That's right. You do what you gotta do. But you go, guess what? You're messing with the wrong person. You're messing
If
with
we
the
move
wrong
into the
person.
back of my car,
Run a tiller tight and you messing with the wrong person.
Get one more here.
759-281. Are you nearby?
You gotta do 1968,
Go ahead
born
and
and
call
raised,
her.
Tallahassee born.
I'm gonna go ahead and call a tow truck.
You move here.
Give me the keys real quick.
You wanna be
710,
this and
I'll
that
be
and
out
that, and you're a liar. You say you smell weed, you're a liar. I don't do no drugs. My employers will tell you that. I told you where I was going. I was leaving goddamn club and I was going to my property.
Okay, I'm calling a tow truck for your vehicle, okay?
It don't matter.
Okay.
And if anything happens, you're going to be followed because you're a liar.
10-4, can I get a rotation tow for the vehicle in my traffic stop?
That's the technique that you use. You
That's
smell
10-4.
marijuana. I don't even smoke. That's what you said. If you record everything, they got that.
Okay, and that's fine. I'm
That's
just
fine.
telling you what I smell.
I'm telling you what you
Do you
said.
hang
You're
around
a liar.
anybody that
You're
smells
a liar, ma'am. You're a liar.
Okay.
You don't even need to wear that badge or that uniform or nothing. You're a liar. That's right. That's right. Turn it up. Because I'm going to tell everybody. And you're going to be the first to say it. You're a liar. Stop you smell marijuana. Stop.
Hey, he's really combative and we need to move him to her car. If you don't mind just helping us.
No.
We just wanted somebody else here for getting him in the back of my car.
Okay, does any of these keys look like it would go to this car other than this fob?
Yeah, I'm gonna move it
Alright, we're just gonna have to give him this whole key set because I don't know which key goes to this car. And there's this fob, but it's... What? Am I moving it? I have a tow truck coming to get it.
Is this push button?
Maybe?
If it is, it's probably a fob.
No. It's a key.
It's a key?
Yeah. I mean,
Try that one.
I feel like this looks like a really old key to be able to be going in this car. Oh, that's why. I mean, I guess I could move it instead of a tow. I could move it in this parking lot.
First of all. Did you already call him?
I would just let it decide. Because he has done nothing for us to try to move him.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do this. Can you,
You want me to pull over there first?
yeah, I don't want to fight him in the middle of the road.
Street. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's fine.
Get it right. You gotta control this. I'm glad you like your job. I'm glad you like your job. Texas shit you tried, that ain't gonna work. I got a secret for you. You don't even know who the fuck I am. You're gonna be able to get up and do it.
Calvin? No.
Calvin.
How you doing, sir?
Good, man. I'm Sergeant Smith with TPD.
I appreciate that, Sergeant.
Okay, here's the deal, man. I gotta take you from this car and we gotta put you in that one, okay?
Hey, it's like this. It's okay.
Okay, are you gonna cooperate? We're not gonna have any issues, right?
Hey, ain't nobody cooperating. Just like this.
You'll be okay?
Hey, I'm talking to you right now.
Yes,
right?
sir.
I ain't got no problem being okay.
Okay.
I got a problem with what happened earlier.
Yes, sir.
It's lies. But I'm gonna tell you like this right now. I ain't got no problem cooperating.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You ran my name. You know my record. It's all good, but it's like this right here.
Uh-huh.
I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
But I'm gonna tell you right there.
Yes, sir.
Improper. It's improper.
Well, you know you'll be afforded the opportunity.
It's okay. It's okay.
Listen to me. You'll be afforded the
You got
opportunity.
my phone, man, still?
I
You'll
got
be
your phone.
afforded the
Okay.
opportunity when you
Can
get
you
to
give it to him?
to provide a breath sample. You
She's
understand
got
that,
it,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
You know you can provide a breath sample if all this is a big
I
misunderstanding,
ain't
right?
worrying about no brush Sam, because
Gotcha.
I went through 3 things since you got him.
What you got? You ready?
No problem.
Come on, Buckle. We can get you in any problem. Get on your way, okay? Yes, sir.
Can you use my phone?
Yeah, you need to call somebody?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You cooperate with us, we're gonna work with
I
you,
ain't
okay?
got no problem. Give him my phone.
Okay, we'll get it. Sorry. We're gonna go to the passenger side.
Okay.
What do you need to call?
Can she give you my phone?
Yeah. Have a seat and I'll bring you the phone and we'll make the phone call here, okay?
No problem. Got you. I appreciate you cooperating with your colleague. Right. Like,
It's kind of, yeah.
I
Okay. Great, then. There you go. All right, hang tight. We'll get your phone. We'll get you that phone call.
See, that was me earlier. Yeah, just sit down. I'll be fine.
You got his phone.
She does. Yeah, we tried tried to call somebody instead of a tow truck, and he didn't want to cooperate, so.
Well, I guess I should try to reread and call consent because I can't process it as a refusal because you just excluded.
He just refused to him, though, again, so. To him,
Well,
he's like,
not explicitly, but. All right, who we gonna call for you? You gotta look at it. How does that work? Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. I swear to God. And now, you on?
I can't take them off. Not once they're on.
You put in front, so I can
No.
God. He's asking me.
Yeah, I know.
I was simple. Yeah. I'm trying to be man.
I can dial the number if you just open it up for me. Can you see to open it up? Or do you want to tell me what it is and I'll open it real quick? Got it now? Yes, sir.
go ahead, sir. No, so he has a cover on his seat, and in the cover where like the knee would sit, there's an opening, and he had it like tucked. Okay. And then the whatever he had in his cup also smelled.
My life. That has smiled. 55 years old. My head will age. You're right.
Is that in his history?
I can check real quick. Don't forget to add the VD OSR on there.
You have it saved up, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So the notification got sent to that Brevard address, and you confirmed that he did have, that he still lives there.
I feel like anytime somebody's a nightmare with me and Sarge shows up, they're just like all of their anger.
Of course. Well, yeah, that's how it usually is. So the address here, Brevard Street,
Yeah.
and then driver history, doesn't have any previous DUI convictions or whatever that it says on there. It says that the suspension happened on 3/22 of this year, and it said that the notice was provided on the 7th,
Okay, go.
which
back
means
to
that
the
address.
page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. He is already inputted in there. History, I honestly don't really know.
Okay, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, lady.
so,
Ain't no so nothing. I'm through talking.
okay,
I'm
no,
through
so,
talking. No, I'm through talking.
okay, I just have to
No,
read
I'm
this to
through
you.
talking.
real
You
quick.
ain't gotta read nothing. I'm through
Will
talking.
you just listen to
I'm
me,
through
please?
talking, ma'am. I'm through talking.
Okay,
I am through talking.
I have to read this
No,
to you.
you can't
I'm
read
now
nothing to me.
requesting that you
I
submit
don't
a
want to
lawful
say
test of
nothing.
your
I
breath
don't
for
want to
purpose
say
of
nothing
determining
to you.
alcohol
I don't want to say nothing to you because
Will
you're
you
switching
take the
up
test?
three different scenarios that y'all went through since y'all started me. I want to talk to you about
Okay,
nothing.
because you haven't
Nothing.
said yes.
I want to talk to my lawyer. I want to talk to you about nothing.
going to
I
read
don't
you the
want. You don't
refusal.
need to read
Hey,
me up.
you
Close
just
the
have
door,
to.
sir.
You just have to listen. You
Close
don't
the
have to.
door, sir.
Okay, you just
I'm
gotta
asking
listen.
you, please
I'm
close
going
the
to
door.
read you the
Are you
refusal
recording
portion
this?
again.
Are you
Yes.
recording this?
If you
Well, I don't want
refuse
to talk to you
take the
about
test,
nothing. I don't want
request
to.
of you,
I
your
don't want to talk to
driving
you
privilege
about
will be
nothing.
suspended for a period
I don't
of
want to
1
talk to
year
you nothing
for
about
a first
nothing.
refusal,
I don't want
or
to talk to you
18
about
months
nothing
for
because
your
you're trying to
driving privileges have
sugarcoat
been
it.
previously suspended,
No,
or
there's no
if you have
previous
been
nothing.
previously fined
I
for
am telling you
under
this. I don't want to talk to you about
327,
nothing because what you said to me,
35.15 for
miss,
refusing to
that you
submit to a
stopped me
lawful test of
because your
breath,
lights was
urine,
off.
or blood.
And then she
Additionally, if you
said
refuse to
she
take the
stopped
test,
me
I have
because
requested of you
she
until your
smelled
driving
weed.
privilege
So
has been
therefore,
previously
y'all
suspended,
both are
or if
liars.
you have
I
been
don't want to talk to
previously fined
now
under
one of y'all. I
statute
don't care about none of that. You can say whatever you want to say. I don't understand none of what you're saying. I don't acknowledge none of
You'll
what
be
you're
committing a
saying.
misdemeanor in
And
addition
I
to
am
any
coherent
other
with what
penalties
you're
which can be
saying. I
imposed
have
in
no
law.
knowledge of what you're
Refusal
saying.
to submit
And
to the
you
test
miss
I've
a
requested is
liar.
admissible into
Because I don't
evidence in
smoke,
any
I don't do
criminal
no
proceeding.
drugs. And what you said,
Do you
you
still
said
refuse to take
that
the
you
test?
stopped me because you
Calvin.
smell weed. My name is Calvin A. Riley Sr. I'm born and raised in
Go ahead, sit
Tallahassee,
down.
Florida.
Calvin, sit
No, don't
down.
close the door
Watch
yet.
your head.
Now,
Watch
because
your
you
head.
want to close the door now.
Watch your head.
I'm born and raised Leon County, Tallahassee, Florida. I'm
Calvin,
55
watch your
years
head.
old, and you are alive.
Calvin Riley's emotional outburst escalates as he repeatedly accuses Officer Kiersten Oliver of lying about smelling marijuana and fabricating reasons for the stop. His repeated demand to call his partner and his refusal to speak further, invoking his right to remain silent and request legal counsel, fall under 5th and 6th Amendment protection. The officers continue to press, speak over him, and at times ignore his stated refusal to engage, a potential overstep of Miranda rights. The conversation also includes coercive language surrounding implied consent laws, where refusal to test could result in license suspension and misdemeanor charges, as outlined in Florida Statute 3-161932. While Riley's tone is aggressive, his rights as a citizen remain intact. He is not obligated to agree with field testing, nor does emotional frustration justify escalation. Law enforcement must honor clear refusals without provocation. Relevant laws referenced: 5th Amendment, U.S. Constitution, the right to remain silent and not self-incriminate. 6th Amendment, U.S. right to legal counsel during custodial interrogation. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires informing detained individuals of their rights before questioning. Florida Statute SS3-161932 implied consent law. Refusal to submit to testing may result in suspension and charges, but cannot be forced. Officer Kiersten Oliver's actions throughout the Calvin Riley stop raise serious questions. Her failure to clearly articulate her proposal, shifting justifications, and disregard for Mr. Riley's clear verbal refusals merit a C for constitutional adherence. Mr. Riley, while emotional, exercised protected rights, though his escalating tone may have weakened his position. This case is a clear reminder that ID refusal is not about defiance, it's about knowing when and how to lawfully assert your rights. The refusal to perform voluntary field tests or remain silent is constitutionally protected. Support accountability by subscribing to ID Refusal Cops and reviewing the full footage on the original channel. Always film interactions, speak calmly, and invoke your rights respectfully. Laws: 4th Amendment protection against unlawful search/seizure. 5th Amendment right to remain silent. 6th Amendment right to legal counsel. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, right to be informed before questioning. Florida Statute SS3-161932 implied consent law.